A robot revolution has reached Perth as WA's crippling skills shortage hits hard. Businesses are being encouraged to consider the technology for serving food, making deliveries, even cleaning hotel rooms.
The mission will be completed.
Meet Robbie, also known as T5. He could soon be serving you at venues across Perth.
Your delicious meal is here.
Restaurants, banquets, basically anything that would alleviate that stress of staff running back and forth from the kitchen.
It's hoped the artificially intelligent waiters could be a solution to our skills shortage.
Internet job ads for hospitality is up more than 300% than what it was on pre-COVID levels.
If we can replace the staff shortages that we have with the robots while keeping our skilled staff to provide that excellent in-person customer service, it's really going to help the whole industry.
KEENON Robotics also makes the M2, which can clean hotels and hospitals with the click of a button.
With its fogging and UVC sanitisation, it's got a 99.9% bacteria kill rate.
They're not cheap, but the company says they're cost effective in the long run.
Starting from $18,000 over a 5-year life cycle, that works out to be about $10 a day.
We're already all using the QR code in our pubs to order the meal, and this is part of that way forward, really.
The technology is incredible. The robots can be programmed to speak in 15 different languages, or if you prefer a more personal touch, you can even record your own voice.
Hello, I'm Natalia. I hope you enjoy your meal and have a nice day.
But they aren't set to completely replace us just yet.
Folks still like talking to people.
You can now enjoy your meal.
Natalia Cooper, 9